Hey everybody, Dr. Michael Bruce, the sleep doctor here. I have a PhD in clinical psychology and I'm board certified in clinical sleep disorders. You may wonder, how can you have a PhD and still be board certified in clinical sleep? Well, I'm the crazy guy who took the medical boards, medical specialty boards, without going to medical school and passed. I've been in practice for 23 years and I'm here today to talk with you about allergies and sleep. Today, I want to share some tips with you for better sleep during allergy season. For myself and others, the arrival of spring also means the return of seasonal allergies and all the discomfort and misery that comes with them. The worst is when allergy symptoms occur at night, causing you to lose sleep, waking up feeling tired and sluggish, and feeling exhausted throughout the day. Our reactions to allergens can vary from person to person, but how exactly do allergens disrupt our sleep? Let me explain. When allergens enter our bodies, an immune response is produced to get rid of the offending allergen. This immune response in turn produces the familiar symptoms and the discomfort many have come to know during allergy season. Some of these symptoms created by these reactions include, of course, nasal congestion, runny nose, fatigue, itchy or watery eyes, and of course, sneezing and coughing. Nasal congestion or a stuffy nose can make it difficult to breathe while you're trying to fall asleep, resulting in snoring or an incredibly restless night. There's something new on the market that I wanted to show to everybody. A very inexpensive tool that is getting very positive results for many allergy sufferers. It's called the Sinusonic. This device uses acoustic vibrations and light pressure with normal breathing may help relieve your nasal congestion. Let me show you exactly how you do it. Push the little start button and it turns it on. You can hear a little hum in the vibration, then you place your nose in the mask and just breathe normally. Did you hear that little flutter? That means you're doing it exactly right. I've had tremendous luck on this with many of my patients. Now that you know how allergies can affect our sleep, let's take a look at some common causes of seasonal allergy symptoms. What are they? You guessed it. Pollen, dust mites, mold spores, pet dander are all very common allergens that can cause seasonal allergy symptoms. Different types of pollen can create symptoms throughout allergy season based on the seasons that these plants are in bloom. Allergies to dust, mold, or dander can occur literally year-round. Whether your allergies occur seasonally or year-round, your doctor or an allergist can determine what's triggering your symptoms by examining your medical history, as well as conducting a few simple tests. But what if the cause of your allergens is a member of your own family and you didn't even realize it? Yeah, I'm talking about pet allergies. Now, most of you watching have pets like me, but unfortunately, cats and dogs may also be inadvertently contributing to our allergy symptoms. A major source of pet allergens is something called dander, which is made up of dead skin flakes our pets shed. Gross. Others may include saliva, urine, and even blood. These allergens, like others, can be easily circulated through the home, where they can remain on soft surfaces like carpet and furniture for months. Don't worry, there are ways that you can still enjoy your pet's companionship and affection without exacerbating your symptoms after following these simple tips. Number one, wash your hands after you play with your pet. Pretty straightforward. Bathe your dogs often. Don't try to do that with the cat. I'm here to tell you it doesn't work. Wear a mask and rubber gloves while cleaning litter boxes. Also, keep pets off the furniture and, if you can, out of the bedroom. Dust and vacuum often, and then figure it all out in terms of where do they want to sleep. A lot of times you can put them in a different part of the house and it can make it so much better. Now that you know what causes seasonal allergies and how it disrupts your sleep, let's now dive into some simple ways for you to get a better night's sleep during allergy season. Number one, keep doors and windows closed. While it's tempting to invite the nice spring air inside rather than using air conditioning, you may want to reconsider if you have allergies to pollen. Keeping the doors and the windows closed will keep the extra allergens out of your home and help you keep better control of your symptoms. Number two, shower before bed. A warm bath or shower washes away any lingering allergens on your body, as well as helps you unwind before bed. Don't forget, sometimes that can be helpful for sleep as well. Number three, take allergy medication at night. You'll want to check with your doctor before you do this, but taking any allergy medication at night will make sure that the medication won't wear off in the middle of the night and will stay strong while you sleep. If you're taking an over-the-counter medication, do me a favor, please check the ingredients to be sure it doesn't have caffeine or other stimulants that might keep you awake. Number 4, I've talked about it already, but let's get to it. Reduce nasal congestion. I encourage you to decongest for better rest, right? Decongest just before bedtime. You can use my friend here, the Sinusonic, for this, as well as what we discussed in the beginning part of the video. Number 5, adjust your laundry routine. If you spend a lot of time outside during allergy season, put your clothes into the wash as soon as you come inside for the day. Avoid letting your clothes dry outside if you line dry them. This can actually attract more pollen and allergens. Instead, put your clothes in the dryer to keep them allergen-free. Now, it might not just be you who struggles with seasonal allergies, but your partner too. Sleeping with a partner with allergies can be a big problem. If your sleep partner experiences nighttime allergy symptoms, there are ways to ensure that you can get a good night's sleep as well. If your partner's symptoms cause them to snore, an easy and inexpensive option are earplugs. These are widely available at grocery stores and pharmacies. However, if you prefer some pleasant ambient noise, I recommend something new that's come onto the market. Not just white noise machines, which I do quite like, but these are new from Bose and they're called Sleep Buds. So you'll see them right here. This is what they look like. I personally have been using these for quite a while and they're awesome. So what they are these little earbuds, just like you would imagine they would be. And what's cool about them is they're designed to be worn while you sleep. So you put them in and set them there, and then everything runs through this and you are good to go. What's interesting about these is they have their own music set in them that are specifically designed for sleep. These aren't like regular earbuds. They only play calming audio from the Bose Sleep app, which is designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep while any background noise is dampened by Bose's noise masking technology. They're also carefully crafted not to be disruptive during sleep. If you or your sleep partner are still experiencing poor sleep quality even after making some of these changes, this could be a sign of an underlying sleep disorder like insomnia or obstructive sleep apnea. If you suspect that you or your sleep partner have a sleep disorder, it's very important to get tested so you can see what treatment options are available for you. Your sleep quality as well as your quality of life don't have to suffer if you have seasonal allergies. There's plenty you can do at home to make sure you get a good night's sleep even when allergy season is in full swing. These small changes can really add up in the best ways, potentially helping every family member sleep better at night. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and follow me on social media. I included links below to the description and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Sweet dreams from the Sleep Doctor.